For over 25 years, Hyphen Solutions has been committed to always bringing the latest and greatest innovations to our customers. We're actively committed to our builders, our suppliers, our manufacturers, our laborers, our trades, to provide what's new. And we do that by listening. Everything that we've done is always with the intention of providing the best solution to your possible outcome. Instead of saying, this is what we do, we ask, what are you trying to do? What are you trying to solve? And in those solutions, we create the best possible outcome to provide you the latest and greatest in technology. So we're not just committed to servicing our Bill Pro and Supplier platform, we've always been committed to expanding and growing to greater ends because we're answering questions that are continually being asked of us. So what solutions do you have? We have Wallet, we have Supply Pro GM, Hyphen Homesite, visualizers, anything you can come up with, this is what we've created. And basically we've done this at the answer to our customers. So trades have come with us, help me with my orders. I want to help you streamline that. Builders are coming, I want to lose my cycle time, shave that down. We're answering that. So basically, Hyphen will always heed the call because we think of our customers first. We put their ideas in forefront. We put their suggestions up top. All we can do is just create, and with that creation, you can see the results that we have here. For more information, obviously go to our website, hyphensolutions.com, where you can find all the information about every one of our products, what's to come, and to even submit requests to view demos, to get various flyers, to get any more information, or speak to somebody through one of our call lines that you can find there on our website.